driving. I know I shouldn't be vlogging and driving. Gotta check that mic all the time. Currently heading over to my girlfriend's house. We're supposed to go vlogging. We're supposed to go hiking, which we are gonna go hiking. I mean, she had told me to be there by 9:30. It's 9:25. Probably be there at 9:35. We'll see. Anyways, I thought she wanted me to head out at 9:30.
It's coming up, and I really want to show him off this wedding video, so we just have to grind and hustle. I'm probably going to be up till like midnight or 1 o'clock.
No, you do.
Yeah.
No, I ain't don't like my makeup.
You still look gangster. So she made this. You're stop being shy, bro. Nah, I'm cool.
You want one new shoe?
One new shoe. That's not here?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, these are the little thing here.
What is it?
There's like a paint thing to like smooth it out. Like,
Oh.
Like, Brookie, help her out? You know, this one's long for the ice coffee or ice, like the regular, not the 32 ounce.
Alright.
Yeah.
That's okay. No, I'm just, I guess I'll use it some other time.
Alright. Your name?
Luis.
Luis.
You gonna get your free coffee? Hey, now you have something.
now you got a free one. No. Oh. Well, you cheap as fuck.
You're cheap as food. Can be cheap when we pay for it.
No, I'm just saying, because I'm just like, when you want to split it, it's
Oh,
a big old
okay.
size. And I'm like, I think as soon as I just get this size, because it's like almost the same price. It's like, what, like 20 cents more than the other one?
Yeah.
But then I do end up feeling like, if you
200.
want to split it, it's like a good portion. It's like two of the other ones.
Yeah. It's probably big.
Probably more than the other one, huh?
Fucking huge.
Like that, we split it, and it's bomb.
Bomb coffee. So where are we going?
Hiking.
Hiking. Yeah, hiking. We made a quick stop at?
Coffee bean.
Yeah, coffee. Her engine doesn't start without coffee, so she's kind of slow. Playing. I'm just playing.
My hamsters work. Your hamsters are a little.
They're a little off.
They're always on snooze.
Shut up. Shut
These
up.
hamsters are Olympic style hamsters, okay?
That's sleeping. Olympic style sleeping.
This what I feel like. Yeah. Laughing to the bank like yeah. Flex on swole like
Our first break.
First, like our third.
Well, first official break. We started way down
Already gone.
I know, it's not even halfway the hike. She finished the water without giving me any. That's fucked up.
Sinceras.
I'm playing. But yeah, we started all the way down there. You guys can barely see it. It's almost at that starting point. Beyond the little branch. And over here. So far, pretty fun. It's always a fun time with her. But, pretty fun hike. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Good. It's so hot.
People are being like crazy.
Yeah, it's just the little animals moving down there. Don't be scared. I'm right here. Now what the fuck you gonna do?
Stop running.
Go pushing you down. No. I wouldn't do no such thing. No. Pasito, pasito. Chiquito, chiquito. Personally, I've always hated going down steep places. And I connected to this one time that I fell. I ate shit when I was a little kid. Just went down rolling. My uncle saved me or some shit. But ever since I've been traumatized to go downhill. Fucking hate it. Watch out. Watch out, Ale. Slowly. Pasito, pasito. We've gone down this place before.
Just put it away.
What, the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the shoes that I have on too, they're so slippery.
Down into a dangerous situation.
Yeah. Almost say shit. The shoes I have on, the Pumas, they're like non-slip. They're not non-slip resistant. So I'm always slipping, even at home and shit. So gotta be careful. Gotta be careful.
What did I just tell you? It's like you wanna fall.
No.
I told you to go the other way. It's less than.
Yeah, it's done. We done it. Alright guys, during my hike, my camera was going low bat. Wanted to save some footage or save some battery to catch some other footage. 2 batteries over there, 2 batteries over here. I shouldn't be having that problem. Oh, these batteries suck. They drain by a second. Even the Sony one is kind of lame. But after a hike, we decided to go eat. We ate mariscos or ceviche, shrimp ceviche, ceviche de camarón, tostadas de ceviche de camarón. I don't know what you guys would prefer. It's a flat taco shell. I'll show you what it is. I'll show you what they are. That they were so delicious, guys. It refreshed it refreshed me. It made me feel more fresh, ready to attack the rest of the day. And just completely enjoyed that hike date that me and my girlfriend went on. Something that we went over our hike was iron versus nature. That's what she called it. It was Alejandra's idea. You guys could thank her if you guys liked it. You guys could send her some hate mail if you guys hate it. Not fucking around. Don't do that. Just we were talking about how the differences in what we feel during our workouts. Although they're both very energy taxing when in our bodies, they're completely different. And of course, it's different kind of training. One we're lifting heavy ass weights. The other ones we're just going up in hills. But something that we talked about is that we enjoy hiking. Personally, I used to go almost all the time. The weekend and midweek, I would go with a friend, usually with my mother, and just creating memories. That's one of the things that I personally enjoy is the memories that we create during a hike. It's something that you'll never experience again. And it doesn't matter if it's the same park again and again. It almost seems like you get different, or you learn different things of the park. For example, this past weekend with Alejandra, I got to experience this view of the park that I've been going to for the past decade. And I had never seen that fucking view. That point of view was completely different. And I completely enjoyed that moment and just felt relaxed and stress-free during the hike, which is something that I like. I noticed it in Alejandra too. She's been really stressed at work lately, and I honestly feel like she's underpaid for what she does. It seems like she's all over the place. She photoshops pictures, she makes sales, she packs items. Then aside from all that, she has her own hustle on the side, which is selling things on Poshmark, which makes her extra money. She never complains or anything like that, but it felt good to see her happy, smiling, and just enjoying the moment, completely stress-free of that hike, which is something that she mentioned. It's a great way to work out, a great way to relax, and like I said, personally, create memories. That, and of course, like powerlifting, weightlifting, that kind of workout is our bread and butter. But we agreed that we should go hiking more. One, we burn more calories when we're trying to lose weight. It'll be a great thing. And summer is coming, so being outdoors, it's a completely different thing. Joe Rogan, guys, if you guys know me, if you guys have been following my channel, you guys know I'm a huge Joe Rogan podcast experience, a Joe Rogan experience fan. And he's talked about it so many times. It's great to go out there and connect with Mother Nature, connect with the world, experience the world, opposed to just being indoors. And of course, your gym, although it is relaxing, it helps you out with stress and helps you boost your confidence and all this kind of stuff. It's completely different to going out there in a hike and just enjoying Mother Nature. This is the reason that I post I'm putting this video on top of some old clips of me working out. It's just a completely different feeling. I don't know if you guys agree. If you guys don't, let me know. Tell me something in the comments, like, Louis, you're fucking stupid. There's no way a hike beats deadlifting on a Saturday morning. But yeah, I think that's all I have to share. If you guys like the video, if you guys agree with me, hit the thumbs up. If you don't, hit the thumbs down. I don't mind, but make sure to hit the thumbs up. All right, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys I know, guys, I haven't been vlogging. I created this challenge for myself in which I was gonna be vlogging constantly, and I failed. I failed so far. I'm not gonna say why. I'm not gonna say, oh, this is the reason, that's the reason. I'm just gonna man up. It's my error. Own it. Move forward and try and improvise and improve and eliminate that error, and just keep vlogging as much as I can. It's just not as easy as it looks, I guess. But either way, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.